Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Doordash Driver's account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Doordash. So once you are here, you need to simply scroll down below and tap on Become a Dasher. So there you can see that there is an option about already a dasher. So simply type in your email address which you had used to become a door dasher, and then type in the mobile phone number that has been registered. So once you are done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do now is simply hit on the continue button. After you do so, you will be logged in into your Doordash Driver account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.